This is the Hawk Hill place where you can capture beautiful moments. And let's climb up from here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And the view of Golden Gate and the bay. Let's climb up even higher. Let's see. There's a fence. What is the cleanest route? This seems to be the cleanest route. Hello. Made it to the top. That's where we were standing at. And let's look around this beautiful area. These beautiful ravens in action reveal their wingspan and effortless gliding as they gracefully soar by. It's just amazing out here. This is the other side of the hill. There is an actual pathway to come up here and not the way I climbed. Now let's look at the ocean from the other side on a sunny day. That's what you see far distance. That's the Rodeo Beach. And now let's get closer to it. And this was in winter time. That's why there are not a lot of people swimming. I see a few, but not a lot. Hope you enjoyed this place. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.